Good morning, my name is Lisiba, the lighting electrical expert in Chamberlain, Kyalami branch since 2022. Today, I'll be showing you how to program a timer switch. We're gonna start by setting the date and time. First step, we press and hold the clock button. We go to week button. We press it till we get Wednesday. While pressed, we're gonna go to the hour button. Our time is 10 past 10. We go to minutes button. We press it till we get 10. That's our time, is 10 past 10. Now we can release the button. Now we're gonna program the timer. By programming the timer, we're telling the timer what to do at what time. Then we're gonna press the program button just once on the screen. It will show 1 on. We go to week button. We select the number of days. Then now we're gonna select every day, Monday to Sunday. Then the time. On our light to come on at 10:15. Is our 10. We go to the minutes. And now we set the time. It's gonna come on at 10:15. Then we have to set the off time. Same steps. You go to the program button, press it once. Then it's gonna say 1 off. Then we're gonna go to week button again. We select Monday to Sunday so that the number of days should be the same on and off. We've got Monday to Sunday. Now we're gonna go to the hour button. We're gonna select 20 past 10. There is our 10. Now we go to the minutes button. We're gonna program 20 minutes here. There's our 20 minutes. Now our time is set. Then our light is gonna come on at 10:15. Then off at 20 past 10. You can still bypass the timer without waiting for the program time. You can just go to the manual button, you press it again, then our light comes on instantly. And once the light is on, then you'll see the red button on the screen. You can still switch it off manually again by going to manual button. You press it, it's off. Then not forgetting to check our timer, it must always be on auto. Then we select, press the manual button, set it till we get the auto. Okay, now our timer is on auto. Then our light will come on at 10:15. Thank you for watching. For more information, you can visit any of our 9 Chamberlain branches. Chamberlain's famous for hardware since 1903.